Haby Naturally's fam, welcome back for another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Haby. Go ahead and subscribe and be part of this beautiful fam. Today's video is going to be about me washing my wig. I inserted this clip from a different video because I didn't have an intro for this video, and I wanted to show you guys how the hair looks. So this is the hair, what you guys just saw. This is the hair after I've washed it and prep it. And now we're just going to get right into the process. So these are the products that I'll be using: a shampoo, conditioner, a tingling brush, and a wide tooth comb. This is all you need to wash your wig. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm going through the wig, and I'm just with hot water, no shampoo yet, just trying to get much glue as possible off the lace. So this is the process that you'll be going through. Just make sure that it's hot water and not just warm water, but it's hot. It's not hot into like burning your hands, but it's hot enough to get the glue off, some of the glue off. And after that, you will use the shampoo, any shampoo that you have. I wouldn't recommend the shampoo that I'm using right now, just because the shampoo is more for a natural kinky hair, which is not really the issue for this hair. And I would want a shampoo that is more about cleansing than detangling. This shampoo is more of a detangling shampoo than a cleansing shampoo, so I would prefer a cleansing shampoo, but this is the one that I had, so I use the one that I have. So you don't have to go ahead and buy a different shampoo just to wash your wig. Whatever you have at home can be used to wash your wig. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm really focusing on the lace front where the glue sits, and really trying my best to get off the glue with the detangling brush, trying to brush off the glue. And also, while I'm doing it, making sure that the wig is not getting tangled. So as you guys can see, I'm constantly going back to the wig and comb it with the white tooth comb and rinsing it off, just so the wig doesn't get tangled. Right now, I've went through multiple shampoo turns, and as you guys can see, it's more creamy. It's more there's more bubbles, meaning the hair is cleaner now. So there's not much dirt coming off the hair. It's getting to where I want it to be. And again, I'm using the white tooth comb just to make sure that the wig is not being tangled. And after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse the hair out as much as I can. This is like a little secret recipe. Not everyone does that, but it's really helpful. So this is boiled water, and I'm adding conditioner to it, and I'm going to let the wig sit in it for about 30 minutes. It helps so much with not only detangling the wig, but also with the texture of the wig, especially if you have a human hair and a natural wig, like natural texture, which is the case for my wig. I want the texture to be kept. So I put the timer for about 30 minutes. The timer just went off, and now I'm getting the wig out of the pot, and I'm going to tangle the wig. So this is the detangling process. I'm just using the white tooth comb, starting from the roots, making sure that there's no tangles down there through the roots of the wig. Because this is very important, because you don't want the wig to have any bulk of hair tangled, and it's not going to sit right on your head. So make sure that it's really detangled. You can use your tangling brush as well, not only the white tooth comb. But this wig wasn't that much tangled, so the white tooth comb did the job. And just making sure that you rinse out the wig thoroughly, meaning that the lace is clear, everything looks nice. You check there's no more glue attached to the lace, and you should be all set for drying. Alright guys, so I'm going to blow dry the hair. I'm using the olive oil heat protective serum. This is the same serum that I use for my natural hair when I'm about to blow dry my hair. Reason why I'm using this is because, again, this hair is a natural hair textured, and also because I want to protect the texture of this hair. And since a human hair, I need to take care of it as I would for my natural hair. Right now I'm going to use my blow dryer with the detangling headset, and I love this. Why? Because I'm able to do two things at once, which is also detangling the roots of the hair, which I really appreciate about this blow dryer. So it's really helpful when you blow dry your wig. Some people would prefer to just, like, let it air dry, sit overnight, but I prefer the blow drying process because I don't like my wig to be stiff, and I also can detangle it with the blow dryer. This is the last process of this video. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Stay tuned for the second part, which I will show you guys how I install the wig on my hair. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about this video, and we'll see in another video. Love you guys. Happy Naturally, fam.